Our solution-driven outlook means that beyond our extrusion capabilities, we guide our customers through the entire life cycle of our products, from initial concept and design to alloy and selection.
What we do is we start by listening to the customer. We evaluate all their needs, whether their needs be certain mechanical properties or stiffness that the part needs to have, all the way down to what application it's going to be used in. So, is there corrosion protection that's going to be required? Is there foaming that's going to be required? So we're able to custom tailor not only the alloy, but also the process for the customer's needs.
It's becoming more and more frequent as customers are starting to understand that we actually have a very strong knowledge base within our corporation. More customers are coming to us asking us to assist them with developing alloys. And this also gives us opportunity to break into new industries as well.
One of the biggest benefits Mag Specialties brings to bear is that we control the entire process all the way down from quarry through our partners to the extrusion and finishing process. So when you have that kind of vertical integration, it's very easy to custom tailor solutions all the way from the beginning and ensure that you have a repeatable quality product for our customers.
So we actually bring to the table things that most other magnesium companies cannot bring to the table with our technical expertise way beyond just manufacturing as far as development of new alloys and products as well.
We really do strive to ensure customers' needs beyond just extrusions are fully met, and our solutions are delivered to their satisfaction.